What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. Today we're going to be discussing our January giveaway results, as well as mentioning an important piece of great news for all of you. So before we get into the video, I just wanted to mention and thank all of you for your support for our channel. We're a very small channel. We're hoping that all of you enjoy our content. If you don't, and if you see that there's issues with our channel or videos, leave it in the comments section. We are 100% open to suggestions. Let us know how we're doing. We know we're probably making mistakes that we don't realize, and you maybe see something we don't. Let us know in the comment section below. We really aim to improve the channel. So that is that. Now let's get into the video. Let's begin with the giveaway results for January. So our giveaway got a little over 2,800 impressions, which is pretty much people that viewed it. And as far as actions that you see right there, actions represent entries. So we got over 1,800 entries, which is amazing. I didn't think we would get this many, so that's awesome. And then users, we had 703 people that have submitted these entries, so that is incredible. And we had a conversion rate of 25%. So I think that is amazing, and I was very impressed. I am grateful for all of you for entering and showing your support and visiting our Facebook page and liking the page and subscribing to our channel. So thank you so much to all of you that have done that. We definitely are very appreciative of that. So these were the results of the giveaway. Now let's dive into the important piece of news I wanted to share with you. Now it's time for the good news. So we are very fortunate to work with HFWS, which, if you look at our previous videos, we reviewed several of their products. We reviewed the solar camera, which is the one we're giving away. We also reviewed their security system, and we're planning to work with them in the future as well. So the good news is that we partnered with HFWS to give you guys an exclusive coupon code that you can apply in your Amazon shopping cart. When you purchase the solar camera, S3 solar camera from Amazon, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Once you add it to your cart and you check out, you can add the promo code of Featured Tech, our channel name, and get 40% off your purchase. So the solar camera goes for $100. So you would approximately pay $60 and plus taxes. So we are very happy to announce this, and we are very much looking forward to this deal with HFWS. Now I should mention that the coupon is limited to only 25 people. So I am mentioning in the video, whoever gets to it first, they get it. If you don't get the coupon code in time and you've been beat out of the coupon code, don't forget that we also are giving away another solar camera from HFWS this February. So if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, I'm also leaving a link of that in the description below. Head to that website, head to the giveaway website, put in your entries, and hopefully you win it. So this is our video. This is our update video for this week. We wanted to keep everyone informed and updated regarding what is happening with our channel and what is happening with Featured Tech. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. We hope to see you next week. Take care.